If you're looking to streamline your accounting process and save time on reconciling your bank statements, then learning how to auto-reconcile bank statements in Xero is something you'll definitely want to stick around for. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to do this quickly and efficiently, but you'll also see how this can make your accounting a lot smoother and more accurate. Now, before we dive into the process, if you're new to Xero, or even if you've just started using it, let me tell you, you're in for a treat. Xero is a powerful accounting software that's ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, and it's designed to save you time. And the best part, you can start using it for free with our exclusive bonuses by checking the first link below. Okay, let's talk about auto-reconciliation in Xero. Essentially, this feature allows you to connect your bank account directly to Xero, so your transactions can automatically import. This saves you from manually entering each transaction, cutting down a lot of potential for human error. First, you'll need to link your bank account to Xero. This is really simple. Just head over to the Bank Account section within Xero, click Add Bank Account, and follow the prompts to securely connect your bank. Most major banks are compatible with Xero, so you shouldn't run into many issues here. Once your bank account is linked, Xero will start pulling in your transactions automatically. You'll notice that the software has categorized these transactions based on how you've previously set up your chart of accounts. Now, for the magic, Xero will suggest matches between your bank transactions and the invoices or bills you've entered into the system. This is where the auto-reconciliation comes into play. Here's how it works. When a bank transaction matches something you've entered in Xero, it will suggest this match automatically. All you have to do is confirm it, and voila, that's one transaction reconciled. You can also use rules in Xero to automatically categorize certain types of transactions, like recurring expenses, making it even easier. But let me tell you, it gets better. Xero uses a smart algorithm to make these suggestions, and it gets more accurate over time. The more you use it, the better it gets at knowing exactly where your transactions should go. This means that over time, you'll spend even less time on manual reconciliation, and you'll spend more time on running your business. Now, there are also times when Xero might not be able to automatically reconcile a transaction. This could happen if it doesn't find an exact match, or if it doesn't know how to categorize it. But don't worry. This is super easy to fix. You can manually assign categories, or if it's an invoice or bill you haven't entered yet, you can create one on the spot. This process is seamless, and Xero makes it easy to get everything aligned. Also, something that really helps speed up reconciliation in Xero is the ability to use bank rules. You can set rules to automatically categorize similar transactions in the future. This is especially useful for things like regular payments or expenses that follow the same pattern. If you want even more time saved, you can even set up recurring invoices to streamline your business's cash flow. Once you've gone through and confirmed all the matches, Xero will show you a summary of your reconciliation progress. You'll see a neat and tidy overview of your reconciled and unreconciled transactions, giving you a clear picture of your accounting status. One last tip, if you're ever unsure about a match or a rule, Xero lets you undo or adjust your reconciliation with a few clicks, so you always have control over your accounts. This flexibility is one of the reasons why Xero is so popular among business owners. So, there you have it. Auto-reconciliation in Xero is incredibly simple and will save you tons of time. If you're just getting started with Xero, this feature will make your accounting so much easier. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the first link below for an exclusive extended free trial to Xero, so you can start auto-reconciling your bank statements today.